Here we're going to be making a super yummy guacamole recipe. First, we're going to be cutting our avocados and taking out the pits. We're just going to be putting it into a bowl to mash later. I have 4 ripe avocados. You don't want your avocados to be too ripe because then they will be brown. So you just want them to be ripe enough. Make sure you get as much as you can out of the peels. And we're just tossing all this into a bowl. You want to be careful whenever you're pitting them not to cut yourself when you're trying to take out the seed, because it can be pretty tricky. The best way I do it is to just lightly put a knife inside of it and twist it around, and it comes out pretty easily. Just gonna take all of them out and set them in a bowl, and we will mash them later. Next, we're going to be cutting our tomatoes. I have 2 Roma tomatoes. We're just going to be dicing them as small as you can. And the smaller that you can dice these, the better. You don't want to have super big chunks of the tomato in your guacamole. Take out any of the stems. After these tomatoes are all diced, I'm just going to go in again with my knife and make them smaller, as small as I can get them. Next, we're going to be chopping our cilantro. I have about 3 tablespoons of cilantro, and we're just going to be chopping them up as small as we can get it. You just want to make sure that all of this is small and fine so that it will blend in with the guacamole. Next, we're going to be doing our onion. I have half of a yellow onion, and we're just going to finely dice this. You want these to be pretty tiny, also as small as you can get them to blend well in our guacamole. Here we are going to be juicing a lime. I have 1 lime, and we're just going to be getting the juice out of it. Here I have a lime juicer, but you could do this many different ways to get the juice out just by squeezing it. Next, we have 2 garlic cloves. We're going to use my grinder type thing to just grind up these cloves. Here we are coming back to our avocados. We're going to mash these up with a fork. You want this to be as well as you can get it mashed. Just like this. If there's a little bit of chunks to it still, that's okay. And then after that, we're going to be adding in our ingredients that we chopped up. First, we have our onions, our tomatoes. We have our cilantro. We're going to be putting in our garlic, our lime juice that we got from our lime. And then I'm adding in half a teaspoon of sea salt. And we're just going to mix this all up really well. And this is great paired with just your basic chips or with rice or tacos or whatever you choose to eat this with. It would be really good. Just mixing this really good, giving it a thorough mix, making sure it's all combined. After it's mixed, we are going to just add some chips around it. This would be a great appetizer or just in addition to taco night. Here I have some corn chips. Here's the final result. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more.